Hello and welcome to our channel, where today we're excited to introduce the DIOMMELL 12-pack foldable cloth storage box, the perfect solution for organizing your closet and dresser drawers with ease and efficiency. These versatile fabric baskets come in a set of 12, featuring 4 large square bins, 4 medium rectangular bins, and 4 small square bins, all designed to neatly store and classify your underwear, bras, socks, ties, scarves, shirts, and more, making it easy to find exactly what you need without rummaging through your clothes. Crafted from durable non-woven fabric and cardboard, these collapsible storage boxes are lightweight and easy to carry, offering a practical storage solution for any room, whether it's your bedroom, bathroom, nursery, or office. With measurements of 11 by 11 by 4.7 inches, 5.5 by 5.5 by 4.7 inches, and 11 by 5.5 by 4.7 inches, these stackable baskets are perfect for both men and women, as well as children, ensuring a clutter-free space for everyone. The beige color adds a touch of elegance to your storage needs, while the foldable design allows you to save space when not in use, making them ideal for under-bed storage or on a shelf. Whether you're organizing baby clothes, makeup, belts, or even toys and crafts, these multi-purpose organizers are designed to adapt to your personal storage needs, providing a tidy and efficient way to manage your belongings. So, if you're looking to enhance your home organization, the DIOMMELL foldable cloth storage box is the ultimate choice for a neat and orderly living space. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on future useful product reviews.